Chickadees, do you want this? I just picked it. Where are you all? Where are you all? We were here a second ago. You know what? I put this other sunflower seed head right here. And we will see how long it takes for them to devour it. Like they have this one, and this one. Although there are still some seeds on there. We shall see. Chickadees. Oh, I just heard one right behind me. That was weird. I think I was right here. They listened. Where is he? Right there. Maybe if I stay still and shut up. Okay. I'll try to shut up. He was watching me. Oh, here comes Lucy. Lucy! Leave it. Mind your business. Here he comes. I invited that chickadee to come here, and he did. He or she. I knew you were coming. I saw you. Monkey. I see here that my monarch butterfly cocoon has not worked out. I think it's past their time. I did see another one on one of the leaves over in this garden today. And it also looks, I don't know how you can tell, but it doesn't look alive. I think maybe there was some cold weather. I don't know, maybe that affects it. Next year we'll try to make more eggs become viable. All right, let's go get that other seed head and leave it here for them. I plucked another one that was falling over. I put it on the recycle bin here to dry a little bit. But you know what? I've already harvested quite a few for next year. And I'm gonna buy more varieties. There you go. Now the birds can pick out. Loose. Lucy. I'm sure the chickadees are watching. I'm gonna go see if there's any more sunflowers to harvest.